What visions do you have for the future of RECA? What steps are you taking to realize them?
So, you're gonna laugh when I say this, but my vision for RECA is New York or bust, baby. I wanna go from coast to coast, fill in the gaps, and currently right now we're working on our expansion by going into Northern California. We're already in Central California. And the next move after that is to then enter into neighboring states such as Oregon, such as Phoenix, Arizona, as well as Las Vegas in Nevada.
If I'm considering auctioning my property with RECA, what advice can you give me to ensure a smooth and successful auction process?
As far as advice I could give you for that scenario, I would basically trust in the process. Trust in the method. We have a way that is proven. This is not something I've just made up overnight. I didn't invent it. This has been around for centuries. Auction is one of the oldest methods of selling real estate. So just as long as you understand what it is and how it works, I feel you'll be very confident, and that's what will get you the results.